My name is Anggia Saputri with student ID number 2014050037. I'm from group 11 TBIB. Okay, here I will explain a learning video in the Language Learning Strategies course, which is guided by the lecturer Professor Dr. Martin Kustati, MPD, and Miss Honesty Trila, SPDI, MPD. And in this video, I will explain my material about the current issues of language learner finding based on exciting research literature. The first, identification of language learning strategies. Language learning strategies are identified through self-report. Although self-report may be inaccurate if the learner does not report truthfully, it is still the only way to identify learners' mental processing. As Grenfell and Harris 1999 have so aptly said, it is not easy to get inside the black box of the human brain and find out what is going on there. The work we can get rich despite the limitation provide food for thought. Terminology and classification of language learning strategies. A metacognitive model sorted our learning system guidance that incorporates for recursive, arranging, checking, critical thinking, and assessing. Encompassing the student objective metacognitive system, preparation, observing, overseeing learning, and assessing language learning and learning methodology adequacy. Learning system include the external circle of the model, use what you know, utilize your creative mind, utilize your alternative abilities, and utilize an assortment of assets. Learning strategies and learner characteristics. According to an informative point of view, then at the point we don't know with assurance whether female or male understudies are most needing language learning procedure. In any case, the connection between language learning procedure and the understudy capability level is far more clear. More capable language students utilize a more noted word assortment and frequently a more prominent number of learning techniques. The next, influence of culture and context. The cultural values of the learner society can be expected to have a strong influence on choice and accessibility of language learning strategies. A study of ethnically Chinese bilingual Singapore University students studying a foreign language, French or Japanese, found that students reported a preference for social strategies as well as a disinclination to use effective strategies. Wharton 2000. Another study looked at the language learning strategies of students in the university advanced Spanish writing class and compared achievement on a writing sample between two students speaking Spanish as a first heritage language and those learning Spanish as a foreign language. Oliveros Chuhat 2002. Explicit and interrogative strategy instruction. Research on reading and writing instruction in the first language context strongly rigorous from explicit strategy instruction. Graham and Harris 2000, National Reading Panel 2000, and Presley 2000. Explicit learning strategies instruction essentially involves the development of student awareness of the strategies they use, teacher modeling of the strategies thinking, student practice with new strategies, student self-evaluation of the strategies used, and practice in transferring strategies to next tasks. Chamot et al. 1999, Grenfell and Harris 1999, Harris 2003, and Oxford 1990. Most research in certain language contexts agree on the importance of explicit in strategy instruction. Language of instruction. Few research have addressed the issue of language of instruction in teaching learning strategies to second language learner. This is not an issue in learning strategies research in first language context, as the strategies are taught in the student native language. In second and fourth language context, however, this is not the case. Beginning level students do not yet have the L2 proficiency to understand explanation in the target language of why and how to use learning strategies. Learning strategies instruction should not be postponed until intermediate or advanced level course because beginners also need strategies that can make their language learning more successful and increase their motivation for further study. Next, Transfer of strategy to new tasks. Early research on learning strategies in first language context found that students often were unable to transfer strategies to new tasks, and later studies showed that transfer increased significantly when teachers help students understand their own learning process and metacognition. Similarly, language learning strategies research have argued for the central role of metacognitive knowledge and metacognitive learning strategies in language learning. Models for language learning strategies instruction. Number 1, the Kala model is recursive rather than linear, so that teachers and students always have the option of revisiting prior instructional paths as needed. Chamot 2005. Number 2, the Granville and Harris 1999 model, on the other hand, has student workshop a cycle of 6 steps, the begin a new cycle. Number 3, the Cohen 1998 model has the teacher take on a variety of roles in order to help students learn to use learning strategies appropriate to their own learning style. Granville and Harris 1999. Number 1, awareness raising. Students complete a test and then identify the strategies they use. Number 2, modeling. Teach model, discuss follow-up of new strategy, makes checklist of strategies for later use. Number 3, general practice. Students practice new strategies with different tests. Number 4, action planning. Students set goals and choose strategies to attain those goals. Number 5, focus practice. Students carry out action plan using selected strategies. Teacher fetch prompts so the student use strategy automatically. Number 6, evaluation. Teachers and students evaluate success of action plan. Set new goals, cycle begins again. Okay, that's all about my material, and thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.